Have you ever watched a movie where a dying character receives a single injection and miraculously recovers within minutes? This Hollywood trope suggests that complex diseases can be instantly cured with one perfect shot. While this makes for compelling cinema, the reality of medical treatment is far more nuanced and complex than what appears on the silver screen. The concept isn't entirely fictional, however. History provides remarkable examples of single injections preventing devastating diseases. Edward Jenner's smallpox vaccine in 1796 demonstrated that one inoculation could provide lifelong immunity. Similarly, Jonas Salk's polio vaccine in the 1950s virtually eliminated a disease that once paralyzed thousands of children annually. Modern medicine has built upon these successes with increasingly sophisticated single-dose treatments. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine proved that a single injection could provide substantial protection against a global pandemic. Rabies post-exposure prophylaxis, while requiring multiple shots, begins with an immediate injection that can literally save lives when administered promptly after exposure. Gene therapy represents the cutting edge of single injection cures. Luxturna, approved by the FDA in 2017, requires just one injection per eye to treat a rare form of inherited blindness. The treatment delivers functional genes directly to retinal cells, essentially rewriting the genetic code that causes the condition. Cancer immunotherapy has produced remarkable single-treatment successes. CAR T-cell therapy involves extracting a patient's immune cells, genetically modifying them, and reinfusing them in a single procedure. Some patients with previously untreatable blood cancers have achieved complete remission lasting years from this one-time treatment. Despite these advances, most chronic diseases require ongoing management rather than one-shot cures. Diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease typically demand daily medications, lifestyle modifications, and continuous monitoring. The complexity of these conditions stems from multiple genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that cannot be addressed by a single intervention. The pharmaceutical industry invests billions in developing long-acting treatments that approach the single injection ideal. Monthly or quarterly injections for conditions like schizophrenia, HIV prevention, and certain cancers represent significant improvements over daily pills. These depot formulations slowly release medication over extended periods, improving patient compliance and outcomes. The biological reality of most diseases explains why single cures remain elusive. Alzheimer's disease involves multiple pathological processes including amyloid plaques, tau tangles, and neuroinflammation. No single injection can address this complexity, which is why researchers pursue combination therapies targeting multiple disease mechanisms simultaneously. Emerging technologies offer hope for more single injection cures. CRISPR gene editing, delivered through viral vectors, could potentially correct genetic defects with one treatment. Early clinical trials for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia show promising results, with some patients remaining transfusion-free for years after a single gene editing procedure. While Hollywood's instant cures remain largely fictional, medicine continues advancing toward more effective single treatments. The key difference lies in expectations and timelines. Real single injection cures typically work over weeks or months, not minutes, and often prevent disease progression rather than providing miraculous instant recovery. The future may bring us closer to Hollywood's vision, but through rigorous science rather than cinematic magic.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.